What is an FPGA? FPGA is a chipset described by VHDL language. Welcome to my VHDL course. My name is Ofer Keren and I'm an FPGA engineer, and I will be your instructor for this VHDL course. In this course, I will teach you how to code in VHDL language from zero. You will learn in this course about VHDL data types, VHDL basic and advanced structures, VHDL statements, declaration, sequential and concurrent statements, clock process, state machines, and we will do 6 different exercises and simulate them with Model Sim. We will upload the next exercise to a real FPGA and even simulate it in real time with integrated analyzer. After this course, I guarantee you will become a professional FPGA designer and find a better job. So what are you waiting for? Join my course today so you will have more chances in a job interview compared to others.